welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. I just got off work, so I decided to sit down and film for you guys because I have a stack of boxes. So I will be doing a couple of videos today, and I will be in the same shirt in a couple of the videos, so just so you know, it is the same day. If you guys hear some lawn mowers, everyone's mowing their lawn today, so sorry about that. Or my dog's clumping and clanking up and down the stairs as usual. But I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, I am so excited to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. I like ran out of breath. But with all of that being said, my dogs are barking. Today we have an unboxing. Today we are unboxing my Boxy Charm. If you guys don't know, Boxy Charm is $21 a month. Comes every single month, and it's always full-size items. So let's just get in here and see what we got. Alright. Man, that's some tough tape. Okay. So we open up the box and it looks like this. Has our little card on top, and this month's theme is Alter Ego. And there's the card, and it has some beautiful ladies on the back of it, and then it has all of the items and prices that we will read along as usual. Alright, let's get in here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is in this jar, and this is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. And it just comes in this little package here. And this says, where's it at? This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this retails for $22. So I'll definitely be giving this guy a try. It does have a little safety seal on it. Ooh, oh, it's green. Ooh, it smells like green tea. It is a green balm, and it feels kind of like a chapstick balm. It is just very slick on the finger, but it does smell really good. It smells like green tea. So I will be trying this out. Alrighty. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and this is Superhero by It. It is an elastic stretch volumizing mascara. And here's this. And this says, wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this retails for $24, which is crazy for a mascara. So we will get this out and see the packaging. It is a very cool shaped packaging that it comes in. It is really big, so there's a lot of stuff in here. And then we pull it out, and it is a very little applicator, but I would definitely give this a try. It is just a black mascara, so I'll add it to my collection. Moving right along, the next thing is falling out of its little home. The next thing is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick by Kat Von D. And this is in the shade Mother. And I really do like the packaging on it. And this says, Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. And this retails for $20. So now we will get it out of its little box and see what the shade. Ooh, I do like that. It's like a pink. And I really like the packaging. It looks like little flowers and designs on the top of it. And we will give it a swatch. Ooh, that is pink. Here is the color of it. I'm not going to put any on because I do have lip gloss on, and I don't want it to smudge all over my face. So there's the color. It is very pretty. I really do like the color, so I will be using this. The next thing we have comes in this baggie, and it is a lace. It's by Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask, which I personally have never done a peel-off mask because I'm so scared that it's just going to be stuck to my face forever because I'll be afraid to pull it off and in fear that my skin will fall off with it. But I will try this, and this comes with 2 masks, and it says compression for deep exfoliation. And here's the packaging for this guy. And it says the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste is conjunction with the mask strips to the skin, helping to further draw impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this retails for $30. So I will try this out, even though I am terrified to do the peel-off mask, but I will definitely give it a go. So there's that. And the last thing we have in our Boxycharm this month is some bubble wrap, not just bubble wrap. And this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And I love, love, love the packaging. And this is a 10-piece face palette that will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend why can I not say that word? Effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. And this retails for $38. So let's get this out and get some swatches. It is taped. Oh, where'd my scissors go? Okay, now that I have the tape off the one end, I can get this little guy out of here. All right, and the packaging is the same as the box. It has the Masquerade mask on it with some little decorations around it. And you open up the palette, and it does have a safety shield over it, if I can get it off. All right, so this, I about lost it all. This is what the face, what did they say, face powders look like. So I'm guessing there's a blush, a bronzer. I'm not really sure what to use this purple for, maybe another eyeshadow. And then here are the eyeshadow shades on this side. So, and there's no names, and it said that, what are these, 4 shimmery face powders. So I guess you could use it as a highlight or a blush. This one, oh, they do have names. They're just really hard to see. This one here is called Twilight, and there's that one. That would be like a really good highlight. And we'll swatch it here. It's very pretty. You guys can see that shimmer. The next one is called Hidden Secret. And this one, ooh, that'd be probably too pink for a blush. Here is the pink. Yeah, that'd be really pink for a blush. I think I would use it probably just as an eyeshadow. The next one is called Enchantment. And here's this one. It'd be another highlight. That's a very deep highlight, so a very light hand with that one. And the last face powder we have is called Reveal, and it is a maroon shade. Oh, there we go. And we'll swatch that one here. I really do like this. So there are the 4, yeah, this one's really hard to see in camera. The 4 face powders that came with it. And then onto the eyeshadows. This one is called Exposed, and it is a blue shimmer. And here is that one swatched. You guys can see that. The next one is called Sneak Peek, and it looks like a brown matte. And here is that one swatched. The next one is a blue shimmer, and it is called Showtime. And here's that one on my finger. Right here. That's really close to that one. But there's the blue one. That one's not as blue as I thought it would be. It's more of a mute blue. The next one is called Mask Off, and it is a gold shimmer, which I love. So here is Mask Off. swatched. The next one is called Disguise, and it is a purple shimmer. That's really pretty. There's the purple shimmer one. And there's that one. And the last one is called 12 a.m. And it is a brown shimmer, which I'm really into shimmer shades. So here is the brown shimmer. And we'll swatch that there. It looks black. In the pan, it looks brown, but I do believe it is black. So they're all the eyeshadows. I think they're all beautiful. And here is the palette again. I think it is very pretty. So I would definitely be playing around with this. And so here are all the shades together that's in the palette. So that is all that we have for the month of October's Boxy Charm. And this month is my birthday month. My birthday is October 24th. So it's really good. We're getting off to a good start with the boxes. But anyways, if you guys get this box, please let me know what you guys got. Did you guys get a different variation? This box is variation, doesn't it say somewhere on, or is it on the card? This is variation number 1. So let me know what you guys got. Did you guys like it? And like I said, it is $21 a month. I always think that it is worth the money, but I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!